Why settle for preventative maintenance when you can have predictive maintenance? Traditional preventative maintenance is schedule-driven, often leading to unnecessary tire replacements and increased costs. AMS technology offers a predictive approach using the real-time data to monitor tire wear and condition. This ensures tires are replaced only when necessary, maximizing their lifespan and saving you money. With our predictive maintenance solutions, you can make informed decisions, reduce operational costs, and improve the safety and efficiency of your fleet. Discover the future of tire management with AMS's predictive maintenance solutions. Learn more at our website.